Hi everyone, my name is Sam. I run D&D Newbie Sessions, and I'm just making this quick video here to explain some of the things that we have going on in our community for Dungeon Masters. A bunch of people just joined off that Reddit post, so I figured this would be a great way to quickly convey some of that information. Let me share my screen here. So first up, we've got the Dungeon Master training session, or Intro to Dungeon Mastering. This event is for brand new DMs or DMs with very little experience that want some more hands-on experience running the game, being challenged a little bit about like, okay, you're in this sort of a situation. What would you do if the players did this? That's kind of what it's all about. It's very collaborative, very supportive. It's so if you're nervous about trying to learn D&D, how to run D&D and stuff like that, this is a great starting point. I'll be posting some new dates today in Discord, so keep an eye out for those in the upcoming events channel. These are all the ones that I'm able to put on my calendar right now and run. Over time, we can get some more dates on here. Maybe we can get some additional people to help run some of these trainings as well. Next up, we've got the round robin training exercise. This is a great little stepping stone from the initial training towards being able to just kind of run events, for real players out in the world. But this round robin event is an event where 2 to 3 DMs plus a couple players come together in a kind of a protected environment. It's not with random people. It's all with other newbie DMs or experienced DMs helping assist the other DMs. There's an actual document here that you can look through if you're interested in this. But what it basically allows you to do is create a mini one-shot. You'll have a chance to prepare and set it up in Astral, set up maps, create enemies and things like that. And then when we actually run the event, you'll run your story. Try to keep it about an hour long, each person taking a turn, and then it gives you real actual experience running the game. And if you're experienced, it's also a chance to test things out, maybe a new idea or a new concept, or if you have an encounter that you're like, I don't know if this is balanced correctly. This is a great way to test it out. Next up, we've got the Create a Character Workshop. If you're interested in teaching people how to create characters, this might be a great thing for you to come in and help run. We post those through Meetup. Here's an example of one of the past events. We kind of run through this format that we have, and we teach people how to build the character they're really excited to build, have fun, and how they can make it a deep, interesting role-playing character and things like that. Lastly, if you are very serious about your DMing skills, you want to challenge yourself, you want to run games on a more regular basis, particularly one-shots that are good for newbies, although you could also run campaigns as well, you could post an actual meetup event. If you're interested in that, you'll need to work with me on it, because there is a specific format we need to follow. Make sure it's displayed correctly on meetup.com, and it also needs to be it needs to kind of follow a certain philosophy. It needs to be professional. So that's more for people that are really interested and really serious about their skills. If that's you, awesome. Feel free to reach out and we can get that thing kicked off. But that's it. I'm going to try to keep this nice and short. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around the community. Feel free to reach out, at Sam or at the moderators if you have any questions or difficulties or anything like that. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you around.